I am Anurag Rai. In this video, I am going to explain adjective or relative clause. So, first of all, the definition is an adjective clause or relative clause is a part of a complex sentence which has its own subject and predicate and does the work of an adjective. So, let us see on the board here, left hand side, I have written the words with which an adjective clause begins. Adjective or relative clause begins with these words, as you can see, written on the board. The first one is who. You can see on the board who. It is used for living beings, both as subject and object. Number two, whom. Whom is used for living beings, but only as object of the sentence. Which, it is used only for non-living things as both subject and object. Now, whose. It is used for both living beings and non-living things for showing possession. Whose shows possession. Number 5 is where. Where is used for places. Number 6 is when. It is used for time. Number 7 is that. It is used for living beings, non-living things and places. But remember one thing, that is used only when 5 conditions are applied. Those 5 conditions are: number 1, when there is the same plus noun in the main clause, we use that for making adjective clause. Number 2, when there is article the plus superlative degree plus noun, the adjective clause is made with that. Number 3, when there are someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody, something, anything, nothing, everything, no, none, few, all. When there are such words in the main clause, we use that for making adjective clause. Condition number 4 is when there are who and what, interrogative words, question words in the main clause, we use that for making adjective clause. And number 5 is when there are more than one subject in the main clause, but one is a person and the other is a non-living thing, or one is a person and the other is an animal, or one is an animal or the other is a non-living thing. When such condition occurs in the main clause, the adjective clause is made with that. So, let us come to the right side of the board where some examples are worked out. So, example number 1. And remember one thing, please remember one thing, that adjective clause is put just after the noun or the pronoun it qualifies. Means an adjective clause follows the noun or the pronoun it qualifies. Number 1. And remember one thing, you have to notice the sentence number 2. You will be given 2 sentences. You have to make them, you have to combine the 2 sentences by using adjective clause. So always see the sentence number 2 and guess which noun or pronoun it qualifies. So let us have a look at the examples. Number 1 is Sonu Nigam, as you can see on the board, please zoom. Sonu Nigam is a great singer. Second sentence is he sings Bollywood songs. So we have to combine these 2 sentences using adjective clause. So look at the sentence number 2. He sings Bollywood songs. Now the question arises, who sings Bollywood songs? So the answer is Sonu Nigam. Sonu Nigam sings Bollywood songs. So the sentence number 2 qualifies Sonu Nigam. So we have made the answer. Sonu Nigam is a great singer who sings Bollywood songs. And we have used here who, because you have already been told that who is used for living beings. And Sonu Nigam is a living being. Sonu Nigam is a person. So we have used who in place of he. Sonu Nigam is a great singer who sings Bollywood songs. Or this sentence can be made by another method. Sonu Nigam, who sings Bollywood songs, is a great singer. So the underlined portion, as you can see, this one, from who to songs, who sings Bollywood songs. This underlined portion and this underlined portion, who sings Bollywood songs. This portion is adjective clause. Remember one thing, in answer number 1, we have put adjective clause after great singer. Sonu Nigam is a great singer who sings Bollywood songs. So we have put the adjective clause after singer because remember one thing, Sonu Nigam and great singer, both these two words refer to a single person. So if the clause, adjective clause qualifies Sonu Nigam, it also qualifies great singer because great singer and Sonu Nigam both are the same person. Both are used for single person. So we can also put adjective clause just after Sonu Nigam. The other answer is Sonu Nigam, who sings Bollywood songs, is a great singer. Now look at example number 2. Look at example number 2. Do you know the students? The second sentence is, the principal sir punished them. So the principal sir punished them. So principal sir punished these students. So the work of punishment is done on the students. So students is object of the sentence, and we have already seen that whom is the word which is used for living beings but only as object. So here in this sentence we will use whom. So answer will be, do you know the students whom the principal sir punished? Now look at example number 3. I found my pen. And the second sentence is, I lost it yesterday. I lost it yesterday. So what did I lose? I lost my pen. And pen is a non-living thing. So you can see here, left hand side, for non-living things we use which. So in example number 3, we will use which because the clause, the adjective clause qualifies pen, and pen is a non-living thing. So and since the clause, adjective clause qualifies pen, the clause will be put just after the word pen. I found my pen which I lost yesterday. Now look at the example number 4. I met my neighbor means मैं अपने पड़ोसी से मिला. So neighbor is a living being, neighbor is a person, but look at the sentence number 2. His son is corona positive. I repeat, I met my neighbor, मैं अपने पड़ोसी से मिला. हिज सन इज़ कोरोना पॉजिटिव, उसका बेटा कोरोना पॉजिटिव है, उसका बेटा, हिज सन. सो his is used to show possession, and for making adjective clause and for showing possession we have already seen that whose, the word whose is used for showing possession. So the answer will be, I met my neighbor whose son is corona positive. So let us see some more examples. Here I am writing down example number 5. Behat is a small village. Behat is a small village. Tansen was born there. So I have written Behat is a small village. Tansen was born there. So in the example number, in second sentence, their word is has been used for showing a place. So means Tansen was born in Behat. So there is used for Behat, and we use the word where for showing places. So the answer will be Behat is a small village where Tansen was born, and we will remove there because we have used where in place of there. So the answer is Behat is a small village where Tansen was born. Now remember one thing, Behat and a small village, these two places refer to a single place. So if the adjective clause qualifies village, means if the adjective clause can be put after village, it can also be put after Behat, because Behat and village, these two words refer to a single place. So the adjective clause also can be put after Behat. So the answer, the other answer will be Behat, where Tansen was born, is a small village. Now look at the example number 6. कितने मिनट हो गए? Someone entered the house stealthily. Someone entered the house stealthily. He may be a thief. So we have written the example number 6. Someone entered the house stealthily means in Hindi कोई मकान में चोरी छुपे घुसा. He may be a thief, वो चोर हो सकता है. Remember one thing, as I have already told you, when there is someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, everyone, everybody, in the main clause, we use the word that for making adjective clause. So, he may be a thief. वह चोर हो सकता है. He may be a thief has been used for this word, someone. So, the clause will be put just after someone, and the clause will be made with that. So, the answer will be someone that may be a thief. Someone that may be a thief entered the house stealthily. Someone that may be a thief entered the house stealthily. So, that may be a thief. This portion is adjective clause, and it is put just after someone because he may be a thief. This sentence qualifies the word someone. So the answer will be someone that may be a thief entered the house stealthily. We have removed the word he because that has been used in place of he. कितना टाइम हो रहा है? 17 मिनट. So students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Anurag Rai English Tutor. Thanks.